In the mid-19th century, during the Crimean War, Florence Nightingale emerged as a formidable force in transforming the fields of nursing and healthcare. Known as the Lady with the Lamp, she revolutionized Army medical services through the implementation of sanitation practices, thereby significantly reducing death rates among wounded soldiers. Florence's meticulous data collection and statistical analysis during war times laid the groundwork for modern nursing. Her enduring legacy includes the establishment of the Nightingale School of Nursing at St. Thomas's Hospital in London, fostering generations of medical professionals. Today, Nightingale's impact is celebrated worldwide as her foundational innovations continue to shape contemporary practices in hospitals and clinics.